Hello, hello. Hope you guys can hear me, clear. All right, let's go. Oh, I forgot to move this over there. So, yep, all good. Bo, good morning. Good morning to Nico as well. Well. The gang's here. I've made some small changes to the stream, guys. Please do let me know if it is clearer than before, quality wise and everything, or is it not, so I can make the changes back. So yeah, let me know if it is better than before, like we used to do, or is it worse, so that if it is worse, then I can go back to the original settings, and if it is better, then I can stick to these settings. Alright, so let's go on. Let's kind of deep dive a little bit into where we are in the markets, what the markets want to really do. And well, I can't get any feedback, so 1 second. Okay. Oh shit. This guy is going to connect to everything that happens in this world, so let me turn that off. And let me just get my feedback loop. No music. Yeah, I turned it off because you guys requested it to be turned off. I can turn it back on if you want. If you really liked it, I can turn it back on. It's totally your call. So tell me if you want me to turn it on or turn it off, and I can do that. Come on, Nico. Decide. You want the music or you don't want the music? I'm waiting. Okay, when it's not loud, it is good. Okay, let me get the music back on. Okay, you should start hearing it soon. Can you hear it now? Is it coming through? So we have a new person, Tom. Hey Tom, good morning. Can you hear the music now? No, not yet. It should come. Yeah, it's not playing it right now. It's starting up. So now it's doing its thing. Dig a little bit. This mask is a bit too much suffocating today. I don't know why. So why is the music not starting? Well, fuck the music. Let's get back to the real thing that we all want to talk about. I'm just seeing what needs to be done here. 1 second. Okay, cool. I don't know what's wrong with the music, guys. Sorry about that. We can sort it out later. So this is layout. No, this is not the one. Fuck the music. Let's concentrate on the things that we want to do here. Just put sunglasses. Well, true. I can try that next time. Yeah, this mask is really suffocating today for some apparent reason. The room is also a bit hot. I don't know if the heating is on. All right, so let's not waste too much time. I'll just adjust the mask. I'll just raise it, breathe, and then go back in. So yeah, so where we are in the market. So we are getting rejected from the daily fair value gap again. It's like become, a base of the market in this week especially. Try to go above the fair value gap, get rejected, go down, and there you go. Now, what am I targeting for? I'm basically targeting for the lows right over here. I'm trying to see whether we can reach to that area. Well, that could be a good shot for today, but again, previous day low is being swept right now. So my eyes will be completely on how do we react in here, right? So that is the whole purpose. That is what I'm looking for in the market as of now. For like it's a daily kind of a trade, and obviously we will make that trade based off what happens here. So let's just bring in our friend to see where the liquidities are. So previous day low has been swept. We have left two back-to-back fair value gaps. All I want to see is a change in state of delivery on the 5-minute to enter a short position towards the lows. So yeah, we'll keep an eye. We'll see how we retest this and how we react to this, and then we can take a trade from there, just like this. So 200%, 400%, and that will take us to, I think, most likely, yeah, that is the low that we are targeting, but that should be more than enough. So yeah, we'll just wait for it. We can enter right now with the stops above this. That should be fine. It's just that I want to wait to see a retest if that happens. Otherwise, a change in state of delivery if that happens. So either of the two. So we'll keep my eyes on it and see what happens here. Overall, I'm bearish on the market. We are basically going very well below the Asia lows, like we are displacing below Asia lows. So that's really good to see. We also had two back-to-back fair value gaps right over here, for which the target are in line with what we have over here. So both the targets are in line. So yeah, just wait for a retest, just wait for what it does, and then we can make a trade from there. We can kind of go back into the positions. Now just running our eyes over 6 hourly. 6 hourly is displacing towards the downside after it getting rejected from this fair value gap. We have left a massive fair value gap on top, and we are accelerating downwards. So that's a good thing. Kind of plays in our bias. 4 hourly is the same. It has broken below this triangle that it was trying to form, or a wedge, whatever you want to call it. So right over here, there was a nice little consolidation, 2 deviations, and at last a breakout. So sorry, breakdown. So let's see how we react, what we do over here. Just keep your eyes on that 5-minute fair value gap. That's what my eyes are on. Did you guys see the video from yesterday for the afternoon trade that not afternoon, to be honest, it was morning, but it was late morning. Did you guys watch the video? It was fun, right? I recorded that. That was my first try on recording a live trade recap video. It was difficult, but I managed it somehow. Let's see what gold is doing. Well, gold is doing goldy stuff. That could be a trade, but the stop loss would be very wide, because that dump was pretty quick. So if we do take a trade here, that's a 30-point stop loss. No, that's a massive one. You can take a stop here and target 2R. So yeah, let's see gold how we close this candle as well. I'm happy to take this position as well. I'm trying to see if there's any other place I can put my stops. Right here also is good. Should not go down there again, logically. But this makes more sense. This just makes more sense. So we are back inside this fair value gap. I want to see how we react in there. Whether we basically start displacing above or we start going below. Can you hear the music by the way now? Or is it still not there? I don't think it is there. I'm going to find this music. Where is it? So what is this media source? This is Pink Soldiers. That's the one. What is it called though? It's called media source. Is it looping? Yes, it is. Can you hear it now? Oh, no music? Because then it says no music, so I'm just going to reduce the volume. Yeah, better. So no change in state of delivery on gold, so we will wait. In regards of where we are on this lovely little NQ, we have inverted this fair value gap. We have come back above previous day low. So I will keep my eyes on how do we react in this BPR. Do we retest it? If we do, then we can see what happens, and also the fair value gap above. Obviously, there's no trade until we do a change in state of delivery. So there's nothing to see until that happens. So just wait and watch time. Until there's a change in state of delivery, we are still looking for shorts on this. So just wait and watch, guys. There's nothing to rush about. It's just relax, wait, see what happens, and then we make a decision. Like if we jump in right now, there's no use. We will most likely give back to the market. So it's all about waiting and watching. See, both the targets are not yet achieved. So you do want to short. It's just that from where, how, and if you want to long, like, is it playing in your books? Obviously, previous day low has been swept. So it can be a very, very good long. But it's just you measure your chances of success based on what you're seeing on higher time frame charts. And what I'm seeing on 4 hourly is back-to-back bearish price action. Now, the only thing good that can happen if we take a long is going back into this fair value gap. What are the chances? I don't know. We have to just play as the price comes along. Let me know if you have any questions from trades that we took yesterday, anything that you want to ask, anything that you want to talk about. I'm happy to discuss. But yeah, as of now, just waiting. Nothing to see, nothing to do. Let's look at S&P 500. It has taken previous day low as well. So has YM. So there is no SMT at all. All assets have taken previous day low. Now, one thing that people forget about. So whenever you see a range or an impulse, right, and you see a V-shaped recovery towards the golden pocket, now what does that indicate? That indicates to you that there's a lot of buying pressure on those lows. Now, when that sort of a thing happens, you basically remember that, okay, if there's a lot of buying pressure happening at a specific low, maybe this range is now going to get violated. So just my 2 cents that whenever you see like V-shaped recovery towards the premium, just be a bit more concerned than when you see like a consolidation recovery towards that. So just keeping my eyes on the next 1 minute on how we close these candles. My trade would be very simple. If we invert these, do we do a change in state of delivery? If we do, I might take a trade straight away. If we don't, then I will basically try to see how we react inside this fair value gap and the previous day low retest. If it is a successful one, then we take that trade. If it is not, then we let it go. So, yeah. So there's nothing on gold yet as well. Just wait and watch. Just waiting to see, guys. Nothing to see here. I want to see whether we basically are able to go below, get liquidity from previous day low, and then start bouncing out of it. If we can, that's a good thing to see. But yeah, as I said, I need a change in state of delivery. Without that, I just don't know. There's no trade. So yeah, we'll just have to wait. We just have to bid our time to get that. Let's see how we react to this breaker block right here. Loads of areas to play from, so just keeping our eyes open. We will get an opportunity, whether it be winner or loser. There will be something this market's gonna give. So just keeping my eyes to see how we react here. Hopefully winner. Yes, Nico, like hopefully winner. Hope is a very important thing in trading. I hope for everything. It never happens though. So as of now, the reaction is fine. I would say it's not great. It's okayish, but there is back-to-back acceleration gaps on 2 minutes as well. So all you can do is keep your eyes on the chart and let the charts do what they want to do, and then you make a decision on how you want to react to the price action that you are seeing. So as of now, there's no displacement. We are just in this area, in this range. I want to see displacement above these highs, a change in state of delivery, to give me a signal basically that this market wants to go higher or get rejected, and then that gives me a signal that hey, this market wants to go lower. So either way, you are just waiting. That looks like a good candle. Let's see if it is able to sustain this. If we leave a fair value gap right here, I might enter a position. It will be tight stops, so it will look something along these lines. So below this order block, I'll place my stops and I'll just target the 400% for this. So that's 3R. It's, as I said, it's a bit risky position because we could basically crash down from here, down below previous day low. So just will go half risk at the close of this candle and see how it goes. Just half risk, 0.5R, nothing more, guys. Just remember, sometimes if you don't have the capacity to take the maximum risk, you just reduce the risk. You just make sure you're not taking too much risk. So yeah, I'm going to buy in. So that's a good closure for me. So my entry is here, 24.6. Yeah, perfect. So that's my entry. Stops are below this candle's order block. So that's 2-minute order block. So stops below that, and I will just target 200% and then 450% of that back-to-back fair value gaps. Let's see. Fingers crossed. I hope we get good price movement out of this, because after 30 seconds, if we close this candle the way it is, we'll do a 5-minute change in state of delivery as well. So yeah, let's see. So 16 more seconds to closure. So that's change in state of delivery on 5 minutes. After sweeping previous day low, everything looks good. It could still turn back and just stop us out, but everything as of now looks decent. It looks good, and yeah, let's see how this current price action plays out. The only concern I would have is this fair value gap on the 15, because price can get rejected from here as well. So price can get rejected from anywhere, right? All you can do is keep your eyes on the levels that you're trading, and then just basically reduce risk as you go, because you are now trading counter trend. Market's been coming down throughout the sessions, and now you're trading counter trend, trying to go higher. All you can do is take lesser risk, reduce your risk as you get opportunities to do that, and just play the game as it goes along. Because imagine if we took this trade on 5-minute time frame, our stops would have been down here, because that's the change in state of delivery. Number one, we have already taken lesser half a risk, then we have put our stops way higher. So we are basically getting the same position as we would have got on 5 minutes with this stop loss on full risk. So two things that we did right in that. Third thing that we did right is, if we leave a fair value gap on the 5 minutes right over here now, I literally move my stops under this low, because I don't expect the market to come down there then. Because it has inverted both the fair value gaps with power. It is sustaining the move higher. Now whatever happens from here, it's all about whether this market can leave this fair value gap. If it can't, that's fine. We'll get out of the trade. We might be stopped out. We might just go out, little loss. But yeah, just keep your eyes on it. How we react in this areas, and what do we try to do over here. That's the most important thing right now. Because this 15-minute fair value gap is crucial. This is the most important one. If this can be inverted, then we are at least going to this order block, and that's 200%. So yeah, let's just see what happens in the next 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes. So that's not looking good. 21 seconds to this candle closure. If that is what we get, I will most likely trim this trade down. I'll just close it and then wait for a re-entry on something else. If we can't close above that high and can't displace, we have 2 more minutes. Maybe I'll let it run for 2 more minutes. Maybe stop it out for a smaller loss than massive loss. So yeah, just let it run for 2 more minutes, and we'll take a decision based off that. If we leave a fair value gap, I'll literally move my stops to 24,660, and that will reduce the risk further. So then it will be 0.25 hour. I don't think anybody is concerned taking a 0.25 hour loss for the 3 hour win that you will have on the other side. So yeah. The game basically comes down to risk to reward, right? At the end of the day, that is the thing that drives everything. So if you're getting good risk to reward by taking a little risk, you just take it. You just let it do what it's doing. But yeah, I want this candle to kind of close above. The way it is doing what it's doing is not really beautiful. So I'm just keeping my eyes out to see whether we leave a fair value gap or we don't leave a fair value gap. 1 more minute to go to that 5-minute closure. Oh my goodness, that's not looking good. If this candle closes like this, that would be one of the most ugly candles I've seen on 5 minutes. So 49 seconds. Let me go down to 15 and see what sort of price action looks bullish on 15. On 15 seconds, it looks good. I'll be honest with you. I don't think it's a bad price action. It could come down lower a little. I don't know. Speculation. Speculation is part of a trader's life. That's what they live on. That's their livelihood. Speculating everything that's happening in the markets. So not a good looking candle, guys. I'll be very honest. 15 seconds. Would we leave a fair value gap or not? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to move my stops to 24,661.661. I'll reduce my risk. We have a fair value gap, so I'll just respect that, and I'll move my stops 24,661. literally here. If I get stopped out, that's fine. I accept the risk. If it plays out, then it's a better trade. So it's 0.25 hour risk now. And yeah, we let it do its thing. Can't do much apart from that. We can close it if you guys are scared. If you guys don't want to lose even a single penny on this, feel free to close it. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's it. Because the last 5 minute candle, like if you'll see, it looks ugly. That is a ugly shit looking candle. Sweep of liquidity, closing below like that. The only good thing is it has left a fair value gap. So you're betting all your money that this fair value gap stays and you basically are able to just wick through and then bounce up. If it happens, that's good. Otherwise, we get stopped out. We are out of that trade and we can enter a new one later. Which it doesn't look like it want to respect. I'll be very honest. So that's what I don't like when these sort of candles happen. We could get we knew on the last 5 minute candle that something is not right. So that gave us the answer. So yeah, but still 0.25 hour risk, still in the trade. I want to see if it gets stopped out. As I said, I don't care. I might just straight away jump into a short position if this gets stopped out, because that will give us a change in state of delivery. So yeah, just keep your eyes on this and see what happens. By the way, can you hear me breathing? If so, I need to find a resolution for that as well. So you can hear me breathing, yeah? Uh, okay. I'll do something about it. I'm stopped out on this, just FYI. Okay, let me try to. Is it better now? So minus 0.25 hour for now. That's fine. We'll take another trade if we get one. If we have a change in state of delivery here, I'm happy to take a short as well. Look at that candle. It looks so ugly right now. Just give it one more minute. I want to see what happens here. I just want to give it some more time. Now the reason I want to give it some more time is because it's hitting that order block. Previous day low is still below it. I want to see that if it's able to respect this fair value gap or it just jumps down. Gold is waking up or sleeping. The gold looks good. Like this is the turtle soup that people will be entering. So they will basically put this and maybe stops here. But I don't trade that, so I'm just gonna stay away from it. So yeah, just give it some time. Let's see what happens here. It's not yet ready to give us a good move. Which FVG are you talking about? The one from here? This guy, 5-minute FVG? That has been inverted, so that's a balanced price range. All I'm trying to see is whether we straight away go down below it. Because if we straight away go down below it, that means that it didn't care about it. Like, that means it basically did not care about the inversion. But if we take support on that, then that's another story. Okay, I'm going to take a short position, guys. It's again risky. I'm entering earlier than normal. So I will basically just put my stops above these highs. But this is going to be a full risk position, just FYI. This is a full risk position. And we'll see what happens. Yep. Full risk, but yeah, I'll cut it very quickly. I'll move my stops pretty aggressively as well. Because it's an early entry. So I'll keep an eye on how these candles react, and if I get price movement in my direction, I'll be very quick with my stops. So this is the fun part which I'm waiting for. I want it to inverse this 2 minutes fair value gap. If it can do that, then I'll just literally move my stops down here and just reduce risk very quickly. If it can't, then most likely I'll be stopped out, and that will be me done for the London session. Moment of truth for this, whether it wants to go lower or higher. By the way, the TP on this is Tuesday's low, so I'm targeting way down below, and I'll manage the trade that way as well. Yes, I am in a trade. I was in a long, and then that got stopped out, and now in a short on NQ. So let's see. This last one was half risk. This is full risk. If this gets stopped out, I'll be done for the day, like for the London session, and I'll not take any more trades, because that will be 2 back-to-back losers, and that is like more than enough. If I can reduce my risk on that trade and I get an entry on gold, I'm happy to take that. But for that, I need to be able to first reduce risk, and then I'll be able to enter. So yeah, first want NASDAQ to go in my direction, and then maybe think about entering gold position if there is an opportunity. That's not a beautiful looking candle, is it? I want it to go below it and just sustain, and it's just taking support again. Just displace. That's the only thing I'm asking for. I'm a very kind person. I ask for limited things. Just displace below the previous day low. Okay, not really liking what it's doing in that fair value gap. It needs to displace. Like this is the thing which people don't understand. The reason when I say displace quickly is because you're at an important level, and if you just start playing around that level, yes, it can still displace in your direction, like yesterday. What happened, right? But most probably than not, it's going to not displace in your direction, and that is not what you like. Like, you don't want it to keep hitting a place and not being able to sell through it, because that's what you want. Like, you need to have the picture in your head should be very clear. This is what I want to see from the market. If the market does that, is not doing that, then at this point that you are thinking, then maybe your thesis is wrong. So you need to just accept the fact your thesis might be wrong and just get out of the market quickly, rather than just staying in and thinking, oh, this might happen. Oh, you know what? It might do this. Oh, market, please do this. That will never work. So you just need to be like, okay, this is my thesis. Is it happening or not happening? If it is not happening, I'm out of the market. I'm straight away running away. I don't want to be part of this market. Because if you start thinking, oh, this might happen here, this might happen here, but then it doesn't happen, and you start just second guessing yourself, or you're basically sitting there praying to God, please make it happen, then you will move your stops, then you will blow your accounts and all that shit. So that's a good displacement candle as of now. But the aim was not just to displace below this, aim was to displace below previous day low. So I want a fair value gap to be left below previous day low. Yes, it would have been, yeah. It would have turned. It's not yet though. It's still trading above it. So it's still in the balanced price range, which is scary. That is the scary place to be. BPRs are very crucial. Remember that. Always remember that. BPRs are the things that you hate the most in your life. Fair value gaps, you're still fine. But when a fair value gap is inverted and a BPR is formed, it is scary. You want to be scared of it always. So this is not looking good. I'll be very honest. I'm not going to reduce risk yet. Either I'll just close it and call it a day straight away, or I'll let it do its thing for now at least. Because it's bouncing out of that 5-minute BPR, if you will see. So the BPR on the 5-minute is this, right over here. And it's literally, that's a good looking, beautiful looking candle on the 5-minute for the bulls. They'll be like, oh yes, we wanted that to happen. But still 1.5 minutes to go. It can change. It can start dumping again and can close right over here if it wanted to. But as of now, it's not good. That's not the candle you want to see. And especially this, like going below previous day low and straight away getting bought back up. No. Yes, BPR means balanced price range. Yes, sir. So 31 seconds to the candle closure. I want to see some bearish price action. Just close this candle over here. Close the 5-minute candle little lower, right below previous day low. Please, 20 seconds. Come on, 15 seconds. Do something for me. Not against me, for me. Come on. So new 5-minute candle and it's opening above previous day low. No fair value gaps to play from. Okay, can we do that just yet? I'm just going to reduce risk. I'm just going to go and put my risk over here, 24,678.75, above that fair value gap. Because I feel if that is taken, it will take the other wick as well. So I don't expect it to go there and not go there. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. So risk reduced. It's now at 678 point. Where is the high of this candle, man? 678.50. So again trying. Let's see, I just want to see displacement below previous day low. If that is confirmed, I'm going to go break even and I'm just going to relax. And I'm going to go to gold straight away and look for trade there. If we can leave one fair value gap, one 5-minute fair value gap below previous day low. Which is, it doesn't want to. It just keeps getting bought back up straight away as it hits previous day low. And if you look at the 15-second, it's basically just tuck, tuck, tuck. It's making a double bottom right now on 15-second time frame. So all you want is that double bottom to fail, market creating a new low below this low, and that's when I can say London low will be targeted again, a new London low will be created. Until then, there's nothing. Can't do anything. You just wait and watch and let this market do its thing. So you wait, let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Come on. Are you fucking idiot? Nasdaq, come on. Just go down. You need to create a new low. That's the only fucking thing I'm asking you for. Just go. You just fucking go create a new low. Yes. Thank you. Try. Come on, push. It's like Nasdaq is in labor. Push, Nasdaq, push. No, don't fucking suck the baby in. Push it out. Shit, Nasdaq. Okay. Oh, fuck you. Not a new low yet. Equal lows as of now. And that's a new low. Now push it down to London low. Go on. Come on. Good baby. Baby Nasdaq. Straight to London low. There's no stopping you now. Or there is. I was wrong. Is it? You take a TP over here if you reach there and just go break even. If it's a flush, that's good to be in that trade. If it's not a flush, that would be still around 1 point something hour if I'll see. So original TP is 24,422, let's say. So that still be 2 hour. Like if you close this trade at London low, you are still getting 2 hour. So even if you take a TP right now, no, not 2 hours. So sorry, my bad. So because the original TP was here, that would be around 1 hour. Because we would have reduced quite a bit of risk. But you want this to go here. If it doesn't, then it will stop you out. I can assure you that. "13 seconds. Will it go below the BPR? This is Nasdaq's real truth. What does it want to do? Come on, Nassi. Nassi boy. Yeah, close below the BPR. I'm going break even on this trade. I don't want to stay in with any risk now. If it goes above BPR, it is going to stop me out no matter what. So I am break even on this trade now. I'm not risking anything. And this moment I'm gone break even, I'm going to go to gold and see what's happening here. So break even on that, just letting FII guys move to break even. Do not think the only reason to not go break even is if you think that, oh, you know what, this is going to get rejected sooner rather than later. But for me, it's pretty simple. We have come below the balanced price range. If we go above it again and start trading above it, it will most likely be the reversal of the trend, and this will act like previous day low was the sweep of liquidity, and then we start going higher. So yeah, just letting you know, Be smart. Don't be the trader that you were before you met me. Just be smart. Manage your risk. Make sure your risk is in line with how much you want to, put every day. Not stubborn. Just don't be yourself before you met me. That's a better way to say it, isn't it, Cuisiner? It's like I changed your life, my friend. I am your Masiha. My YouTubes are getting funnier as well. Listening to my thought process or my shithousery that I do most of the time? What improves you more, thought process or shithousery? Decide. This is your chance. This is your chance to win nothing. So yeah, break even on that. Gold bro, what's up? What's up? Tell me, how's your life? Gold bro's life is indecisive right now. I just love gold bro right now. It looks so good. All I don't know is where to place my stops. No problem, man. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. That's why I'm sitting at 6:45 a.m. in the morning trying to work on get the stream up. It's fun. And the best part is I learn from you guys as well. So it's not just you guys learning from me. I learn a lot from you guys when you guys like bring your charts, when you guys talk about your charts. Sometimes I realize where I was and where I've reached, and sometimes I'm sitting there and I'm looking at the chart. I'm like, dude, you can even look at this way. Like that different perspective, it helps me as well develop as a trader. And obviously, when you guys get payouts, I know I don't get the money, but I really get the joy that okay, this person is learning from me and he's being successful. Obviously, it takes time. Everything takes time. So yeah. So gold is like fuck you. Gold is like fuck you, bro. I don't give a shit about you. I'm expecting gold to bounce soon, hopefully. Jackie, don't go into that shit. Trust me. There's no use. If if there was any use, I would have told you. Don't overcomplicate your life. You don't need to know that. Okay? Okay? Say okay and don't try to search about it on YouTube. Promise me. Come on, Jackie. I'm waiting for that comment. And I want to read that comment that you say, I promise I will not start Googling about it and learning about it. It's of no use. The more, think of it like this, guys. The more strategies or the more stuff that you pollute your brain with knowledge that you don't really need to trade day to day. So instead of working on that, the most important thing to work on is one strategy that works for you, that you have back tested, that you know the results of. And after that, just your mindset. It's all about mindset. How calm are you? How composed are you? Are you able to trade with the same conviction every single day? Are you able to come to the market every day afresh? Are you able to forget about the losses that you made? But on top, most importantly, are you able to forget about the profits that you made yesterday? Because those are the things that kill traders, not turtle soups. And those are the things that make money, not turtle soups. Trust me. If your mindset is clear, you will find trades and the trades will go in your favor and you will be profitable. It's looking good, but still no acceleration yet. The way I want to see the acceleration, I'm curious, looking for. Too many wicks. Okay, there's the acceleration TP1, guys. TP1, kindly take TP1, move your stops to the top of this candle. 1 second. Move your stops to 30 more seconds and then do it. So we are already break even. I'll say move your stops here. Just fine, we'll give something back to the market. Just move your stops there. Don't move it way too, you know, low. I don't think that will be a good idea. So move your stops to 24648.25. I love when Jackie makes promises. She's so cute. Jackie, are you a guy or a girl? Because the Jackie can be anyone's name. Like it's a unisex name. Like it when I read it, it sounds like a girl name, and in my head I've basically imagined you as a girl. Don't say guy, it will be so weird. Come on, Jackie, tell me, you're a guy or a girl? So for a guy, say one. For a girl, say two. So I know. And then next time onwards, I can talk to you properly. You know, I'm stupid when I'm talking most of the time. Jackie doesn't want to tell. She's a girl. Okay, thank you, Jackie. So that I have been respecting you enough. That's good. See, I've never said a bad word about you. I've never abused you. I've never made fun jokes on you. That's why. Now, if you would have told me you're a guy, your life would have been tough. I would have turned you into the other stream friends that we have and then made jokes on you. But not anymore. I know you're a girl, so I'm going to respect that. So TP1, stops have been moved. Life is good. Stops are in profit. Even if it goes back, we will still end up making good money because this was full risk. Now this is where, guys, everything changes. For most traders, they would have lost that first trade and they would have gone half risk. Okay? Or they would have been like scared of the market. They would have been, oh no, I've lost a trade. I need to be more, cautious. Whereas your very own Singh went half risk on the first trade, and when this opportunity came, I'm going full risk. Because in my head, I'm playing with the trend. I know my rules. I know my clarity in regards of how I want to trade the market. What my rules are. What are the things that I'm looking for. If I know all those things pretty clearly in my head, I can make decisions quite quickly as well based off that. So, just my 2 cents. Don't get scared of losers. Losers are part of the game. Nobody in this world has 100% win rate. I have my losing streaks as well. And I am a streak trader, right? I go on winning streaks and then I go on losing streaks. So I just manage my risk. I have realized that over the last 6 years that I will have those days when I'll have those weeks or month as well where I'll not lose at all. Like I'll have 80% win rate. But then there will be a month or a week where I'll not even win a single trade. So all I do is manage my risk. When I'm on a winning streak, I scale my risk high, 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 high. And the moment I hit a loser, I just start going back, reduce my risk completely. So just remember that it's a part of the game. Losing is part of the game, but it's not necessarily bad to lose. So at the close of this candle, let's just move our stops a bit further lower, down to the body of this candle. Yeah, so let's move our stops to 24635.75. There are back-to-back fair value gaps on 1 minute. I don't want price to go above that. If it goes above that, yeah, then what's the use of this market being, nice to us? Fuck the market then. All right, questions, please, questions. Dana, questions. Dana. Come on, guys, throw some questions. This is why I'm here. I could basically send this trade in a message if I wanted to, but the reason I'm doing live stream is to answer questions so that you can use my time. Otherwise, wearing this mask and not being able to breathe and still trying to trade is not fucking easy. It's a tough job. Nobody told me this was part of the job. Apart from my wife, who said that no matter what, even if you want to stream, Never show your face. I'm like, why don't I show my face? She's like, I have a personal life. I'm like, I'm not gonna become a celebrity. There are like, what, 9 people watching me, no, 15 people watching me at this point of time. They don't even care who the fuck I am. She's like, no, I know you, you will become one, and then everybody will chase you. I'm like, no, they'll not chase me. And she doesn't understand that. And she forced me to wear a mask. But it's okay. She's a nice person. I love her a lot. So that's fine. She only wanted good things for me. She's like, people will, like I don't tell people I trade, my friends, family. So I want to keep it like just a little secret that, okay, I am a trader. For them, I am just doing some job somewhere. So in India, right, there's something called, what is Nazar Lagna in English? I don't even know what's that called in English. The evil eye, yeah. So in India, this is called Nazar Lagna. That's called like that's evil eye. Like if you're successful, people will feel bad, and be like they'll not like it, and then you'll start getting worse at what you do. So hide your face. Moral of the story. So yeah, that's what I do now. I hide my fucking face, and I can't breathe. If there is, okay, on high time frame like daily, if there is a big wick at the bottom, do you expect it to be retested like 50% of it, or? Okay, so Po, you come from the world of crypto where there's a saying, oh, a wick will be filled. No, it's not necessary. Will it be tested? Well, if it is tested, yes, you can measure the wick and you can go for that 50%, which is a good analytical approach. I'm not going to deny it. So measure the wick, go for 50%, 25%, treat the wick as a consolidation area and then use that. But if the daily candle has left a wick, it has left a wick. You have the low, you have the high, you play that. I don't care about what's in between. So don't care about what's in between. Play the highs and the lows of the candle itself. Where is our stop? Right here, right? Yeah, that's cool. And see, one more thing. I don't care. Like if I tell you something, that's not like the line in the sand or whatever it's called in English. It's more about my thought process. It's more about what I feel. Every time I tell something, it's more about from my perspective what I would do or not. Whether it is good for you or not good for you, like if you have a strategy that does that, and you have been successful with that strategy, it's completely fine to keep using it. It's not necessary I know everything. I know things which I have studied and I've given time to. I know things which I understand, but there are so many different things which I just don't know about, like Elliott waves. Elliott waves I don't understand. Even now I can't apprehend what Elliott waves are. So, and I've been trading for so long. I have degrees now in trading. I still don't understand them. So, not necessarily I know everything. Yeah. Moving on. Sorry, not going on. To Jackie's question, I get caught up in the chop and don't recognize what can I do to recognize it better or check before getting involved. Well, sign up as a mentorship for me with me. I'll teach you. Just kidding. So, most important thing that you look for when you're trading is price movement. Is the price going below certain areas with power or not? Like, don't get caught up in chop because that is the problem. Like, that is, you are my food. Like, I love you, Jackie. You're a nice person, but you are my food then. If you're getting caught up in the chop, that you are the food that I'm looking for. You are the traders that I want to trade against. Right? So just remember, waiting is a better option than jumping into trades quickly. Sometimes just wait for it. Let it do its thing. Give it time, give it space. The best thing that you can do with price is give it time and space. The moment you start giving time space is the moment it starts delivering. If you don't give price enough space and time, it will just stop you out every now and then. So yeah, my 2 cents. So looking good, looking okay as of now. So I like that we have swept this high as well. and could not displace above it. So now all we want is a new low. Okay, what's happening here? Let's see. All right, all right. So yeah, good. I'm not gonna move my stops until we go to 200%. Once we reach 200%, I'll most likely move my stops to this high. Come on, guys, questions. My friend was supposed to join the stream today. Let me check if he has come. I'm gonna ask him. He said he's gonna join, but he might be in his own world and forgotten about it. Or he might not have checked that he's supposed to join, but he does know. Yeah, I've asked him. Let's see what he says. What the fuck? I just got his message. Come on, dude. Whenever I get a good trade, he's not part of it. Please, please be on the... Dude, are you here? You know who you are? I can't see who all are here, so... Are you here? Just say yes or no, bro, please. This will be like the 8th day in a row that you were supposed to be there and I took a trade and you were not. Okay, he's typing, so that means he's not here. Dude, this guy. My goodness. I just don't know what to say. It's okay. Well, life, that's... I'm just trying to abuse him. He missed another lovely little entry. He missed yesterday's, then today's. Well, it's okay. He'll get more chances. So, good displacement candle down below. I want to see it close. I want a fair value gap to form. Come on, come on, come on, NASD. NASD, 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 NASD. So going well. Going well. Any questions, guys? Otherwise, if you don't have any questions, I'm not gonna sit wearing this mask. It's so fucking tough. Just kidding, but I mean, I hope you understand. It's difficult to breathe in this shit. So if you have questions, I want to answer them. Where did you guys go? Oh, where are you guys gone? There. Come on, ask me questions. Ask me questions. By the way, our website's up, squidtraders.com. So please visit it. There's nothing like major on it. Like if I can open it here, right? Yeah. So it looks good, right? I built it myself. The developer made it, but then I had to touch, retouch again and again. So it's looking good. So yeah, website is up. Good work. Hard work though, setting up these things. I like this. Like, I like the fair value gap that's been left behind, but I want that fair value gap to be left over here as well on the 2 minute. Like, I want another fair value gap here so that I can move my stops down here. Yeah, it took me ages to build it. Like, exactly, the developer took what, 1 week? And then it took me around 3 days to just clean it up, get things sorted, and then a lot of FI XYZs that needed to be done. But that's fine, it's part of the game. Where did it go? Yeah. I'm liking it. Let's see, 30 more seconds. Can we leave a fair value gap? Now we are in a place, right? Either you can go and basically aim for the, the world right over wherever the last TP is. But I would say we are intraday traders. If you're happy with your profits, just run away. Take them and just run away. Why do you want to be stuck with the market the whole day? And yeah, I'm gonna, with that being said, and the moment we hit 200%, take another TP. So 200% 1 TP, 450% 1 TP, and the last one should be just a trailer. It should basically be just left open for life. If the market keeps flushing, you just are in the trade. So Daisy is using the website, by the way. So she says looks awesome. She is using it, and you have like, she's one of the students now, so she's enjoying the fun part of the website as well. Oh, for the people here, this chat should stay here. Not going anywhere else. Remember. Yeah, not a good reaction. I wanted to go deeper. Not really liking the reaction of this low. Like below this low, there's not been any displacement as of now. So that gives me an indication that the market will go higher first before going lower if it wants to. Yeah, but that's fine. We have made enough profits. I don't want to take a TP till we hit this level. And because of that, I can't move my stops here until we basically are able to hit this TP. So once we hit the TP, I'll move my stops for sure. As of now, stops are here. I'll move them here once we hit the TP. I don't know if I said I've moved here, but I have not yet. Just FYI, my stops are still here. I have not moved them here. I'll move them here once we hit TP. So we have left two fair value gaps, which is a good thing, but fair value gaps are meant to be inverted. So I just want to wait and watch what happens here before I make a decision on doing anything with this trade. Like this is what I didn't want to see, like a sweep of that low and then a bounce back up. So just letting it do its thing, give it time, give it space. That's why we have given it space and put our stops here. And we are giving it time for it to get and do whatever it wants to do as well. So yeah, let's just stay in the trade. Let's just let it play out as it wants to. And we'll make a decision based off what happens. Not really liking this candle right now. I don't like, for me it's very simple. If I'm in a trade, I want to see displacement lows, low created. If you are going for the low, displace through it. If you are going for the high, displace through it. If you don't do that, it just, I get itchy. My hand starts itching and I'm like, why are you doing this? Like, why are you making me nervous in regards of like thinking that, shall I move my stops or shall I take profits and all that shit? Is it possible London Open retest previous stay low? Everything is possible, Nico. Like anything is possible in price action, and that's why our stock. And why would we care? Like even if you go to the original trade, right? Original trade idea. What do you think? How many R are you up right now? I think around 2.5, 3 R. So 2.5 R, right? Do you care? You have taken one TP or two TPs by now. Do you care it going back and stopping you out? I don't. I really don't give a shit if it goes back and stops me out. I've made enough for the session that I'm happy. So just remember, like sometimes you trying to put your stops above previous day low, thinking it could literally reverse from here and go above previous day low and go for previous day high. That's possible. That's a possibility. So you just remember the possibilities of price doing something are endless. All you can do is, if you are in a trade and you can protect your profits. Like the reason we have our stops here is because we had back-to-back fair value gaps. We retested it and we have dumped below that. So if we have done that, we have not achieved the first target. So till the first target is not achieved, we know this market will basically draw towards that first. Once that is achieved, we know then the market can do anything. So market has 4 minutes and maybe the market will do this. Maybe, just maybe it will do this. That's why I'm not moving my stops yet. Previous day low, to hell with it. It might just go back, retest this fair value gap and dump again. So, or maybe it will do this. Just go down, clip this and just pump after that. So anything is possible. You don't know what's going to happen. All you know is how do you manage your trades? How do you manage your positions? Or how do you look at entries and exits? So that's the only thing you can do. That's what my thought process is most of the time. I don't care what's going on overall. What I care about is if I'm in a position, when will I think that this position is no more profitable for me? So let me just put the real TP in. So it's over here. Because the more, like guys, the more you think about something, the more you think about a trade, the more confused you get, the more irrational decisions you start making because your mind is overworking. You need to keep your mind free from overwork and you just need to let it do what it's good at, analyze stuff. And it will start creating stories, it will start creating stuff in your head, and all you need to do is tell it, mate, not that story. I want to know that I am in this trade. What should I be doing right now? And then it will build that story instead. So, yeah. We haven't yet taken the low, so yeah, still wait. No, sorry, not yet taken the 200%. So, still waiting for 200% to go, and then I'll move my stops. So 30 seconds to pre-market open. All right. I'll be on the stream for another 1 or 2 minutes and then I'll call it a day. So the aim will be either we get stopped out or we basically go down, take another TP at 200% and then move stops to this level 24614.75, and after that another TP at 400% and move stops down lower to the next high that was created. I'll leave one contract running until this 24421.75 and I'll just use a trailer to stop that out. So that will be my trade management. Yeah, I mean it's simple trade management, right? You don't want to overcomplicate it. You just are going for targets which you have received now, and this will just be like, oh, if we get that move, then lucky us. If we don't, then completely fine, because we would have taken a couple of TPs we have already taken, and stops are in profits now. So who cares what happens next? Like if it happens, it's good for us. If it doesn't happen, then also it's completely fine by me. I'll not be crying over it, that's for sure. I'll give it like 1 or 2 minutes more before I end the stream because I don't see any questions. So that means every one of you have exhausted your questions for the day. And yeah. So my TP is at 24,561. It is not yet clipped. Still waiting for it to be clipped. Not yet clipped. Will you clip it or not? Just $6 more. Just go down, clip it, and I'll move my stops, and then I can be off stream, and we all can have our lives back. At least I can breathe, Nasdaq. I'm not able to breathe. I've been telling you the same thing again and again. I'm still not clipped. You got to be kidding me. I'm still not clipped. You got to be kidding me. Really? It literally went there, bounced like one. Ah, yes, I'm clipped. I'm moving my stops to this high now. So these are my new stops. So this will be my new stop. Because if market stops me out, that's completely fine. This will be the new stop. And then with that being said, guys, thank you very much. Again, lovely having you all around. It's always great to do this sort of stream. I'm still learning a lot how these streams are run, how these teams work. So if you have any feedback, next time you're on the stream, give it to me. I'll see you tomorrow for the market review. Yeah, I'll get the Zoro mask. Fine. I'll order it. But yeah, any feedback, come back in the next sprint, I'm saying. Come back in the next stream. Give the feedback to me. I'm happy to improve if I can. I'm happy to make it better for all of you. We'll be meeting tomorrow, obviously, for our market review. And then we'll be meeting on Monday for the weekly, trading stream. And yeah, we'll see. Oh, no, sorry. Monday we'll not be meeting. We'll be meeting on Tuesday. So I do YouTube streams on Tuesday, Wednesday and Fridays, and I do like live mentorship streams on Mondays and Thursdays. So last Monday I skipped it. I was not feeling too good. But yeah, so I'll see you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.